In one of my previous videos about how to transform an Excel flat file into a Power BI data model, I received this question. When creating a dimension table, can I use references instead of duplicates? What is the difference between the two methods? What better way to answer this question than to show what the differences are in Power Query. Over here we have the same file that I used in that video. First, let's begin with the duplicate. Right-click, duplicate, and rename it to duplicate 1. If we look at the source, we can see that the source is the external file that we used for the HR data query. Now let's use reference. Right click, reference, and let's rename this reference 1. If we look at the source, we can see that the source now is the HR data query, not the external file. You might ask yourself, what is the difference? Well, let's assume that you are making a change in the original query, HR data, and for example, you want to remove the department name. Right click on it, remove the department, and it's gone. Now let's move to the duplicate. In the duplicate query, the department is still there. That is because we've created a copy before the remove of the column happened. On the other hand, if we go to the reference query, the department, it's gone. That is because any change that you make in the referenced query will be visible in the reference later on. So to answer the question, if you want to create duplicate, yes, you could use reference, but I would strongly advise against it. That is because if later on you decide to make any transformations to the original query, all those transformations might mess up your data in the dimension table. So if you want to create dimension tables, I would recommend using duplicate. Now if you have any questions that you'd like me to answer, why not drop them in the comment box below. If you enjoyed this video, why not smash that like button and don't forget to subscribe. I'm Stallion, signing off. Until next time, cheerio!